We are pleased to show you the 2025 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.